So now again what we are doing is like as both of the coils are misaligned, so like move पे click करेंगे 0,0,100 like z डायरेक्शन में रखना है दो भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट को. सी कॉइल्स हमारे बराबर हो गए. These are both the coils. Okay. Then ये तो सिर्फ मॉडल बन गया कॉइल्स का हमको, लेकिन इसको करंट देने के लिए these are the solid coils. So we have to make a terminal out of these solid coils. So for this इस solid coil को we have to divide in two sections. So take this RX outer, right click on a RX outer, select edit and surface, then split it into sections, the two YZ section. Okay, this is how whole coil is divided into two sections. Now we can use one of these sections to make a coil terminal for our coil. So we don't want two sections, two terminals, so we have to delete one and we have to use only one. So RX पे फिर click करेंगे हम, edit, then boolean. Using boolean function we can separate the bodies. See, we have separated the two sections which is made on receiver coil. So one we will delete, so one is left. We can rename it as RX terminal. Okay. So we can rename it as RX terminal. Same we have to do for transmitter. Right click and select edit, select surface section YZ. See, we have made the coils into two sections. Then right click on TX outer, select edit, boolean, separate bodies. We have separated both these sections and we are deleting one so that we can use one section to create the coil terminal for our coil. So this section can be used to create the coil terminal for the RX and this can be used to create the coil terminal for TX. Okay, this is the one, this is the one. Now right click on RX terminal, select assign excitation, then coil terminal. Then we have to specify number of turns. We can give it as 25. The reason here is why we are giving number of turns as 25 is there is a formula that it gives outer radius of the coil minus inner radius of the coil divided by thickness. So what we have taken the outer radius here, as both of our coils are of same radius. Now previously we have copy paste them. So outer radius जो होगा 150 होगा और inner radius 50. 150 minus 50 100 और thickness of the coil we specify here that is 4 millimeter. So 150 minus 50 divided by 4. 150 minus 50 100. 100 divided by 4 25. So number of turns, which is equals to number of conductors, we will set it to 25. Same we will be doing to TX outer, select assign excitation, coil terminal and then 25. Okay, see, both the coil terminals are set. We can see it here. Just close this. Okay, this is our project where we are constructing these coils. So these are some of the prerequisites we have to do before constructing, before getting our inductance value. So 3D component, we are done with 3D components, which is our circle and model. This is our model. Boundary we did not set till now. एक्साइटेशन में जो है हमारे कॉइल टर्मिनल्स, कॉइल टर्मिनल 1, कॉइल टर्मिनल 2, ओके, both the coils. Now click on excitation, click right button on the mouse and add windings. Okay, so current by default हम रखेंगे 10 amps. Okay, like हमारी coil solid नहीं है, it is as we have specified number of turns in it, so you have to click on standard. Okay, same we have to do for another winding, as we have 2 coils, so keep the current as 10 amps standard. Okay, okay, so 2 windings है अपने पास, 2 coil terminals है अपने पास. Okay, so coil terminal 1 को हम winding 1 में shift कर देंगे. So add 2 windings, click on winding 1, click OK. Okay, then coil terminal 2 को हम winding 2 में add करेंगे. Coil terminal, click on coil terminal, select right, click on right, add 2 windings, winding 2. Okay, we have added both the coil terminals to their respective windings. This is in winding 1 we have coil terminal 1, which is also called as, let's rename this as RX terminal to avoid the confusion. Okay, and rename the second terminal as TX. Okay, see, this is the RX one, this is the TX one. Okay, now done. Now we will be assigning the parameters in the form of matrix. We have 2 parameters, but oops, it is giving error, like read the error. Like वो हो रहा है कि जो हमारे कॉइल टर्मिनल से वो कंडक्टिंग पाथ को अप्लाई नहीं है, कंडक्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट को अप्लाई नहीं है हो रहा है. कंडक्टिंग इन द सेंस it should be, it can be copper, it can be aluminium, like it should contain electrons. Let's see where we are lagging, so cancel it. आप सब देख सकते हैं कि ये हमारे कॉइल्स है, ये है उसका मटेरियल, जो हमारे कॉइल्स मटेरियल से बने हुए. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इज वैक्यूम, लाइक बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो भी आप चीज़ बनेंगे आंसर्स में पहले वैक्यूम बनेगी, तो उसको अपना उसको मटेरियल अपने को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. सो डबल क्लिक ऑन वैक्यूम, सॉरी right click on vacuum, select properties. See, these are the materials which are available in the answers, so you can apply any of them to your models, but for now we are only going with copper. So type copper in the search box and select copper as your coil materials, click on OK. Okay, now your coils are made up of copper. Now let's assign our parameters as matrix. Now it is not giving that error, so select winding 1, winding 2, click OK. Okay, now mesh is not required. Let's go with an analysis. So in analysis we will add the solution setup. So click on add the solution setup, click on solver. So here we will be giving the frequency. As you know that we are dealing with AC current, varying current, so we have to give the operating frequency. So हम देंगे 85 किलोहर्ट्ज. 85 क्यों बोले तो like it is recommended by SAE organization, like ये जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फ्रीक्वेंसी है, सो लोग रिकमेंड करें कि अगर ये फ्रीक्वेंसी आप वायरलेस के यूज़ करेंगे तो ह्यूमन बींग्स रहो या लिविंग बींग्स रहो, उन लोग को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी हेल्थ की. इसलिए बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट 85 to 95 के बीच में electric vehicles will be preferred to use frequency for their wireless power transmission system. So from here we will change the hertz to kilohertz.